Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Thank you for clicking on the VIP upgrade. You are making the best decision of your entire life. So, hey, I'm not going to go on very long because you've already heard the entire lineup already on the first page. So, I want to encourage you that you are an action taker. You're a movement maker. Congratulations. So, you've got two choices here. Number one, you can click on the button below and purchase the $97 VIP. It might be the only option for you because there's only 22 seats that are available for the diamond status. So let me go over the differences really quick between the two so you can be an action taker who is a money maker. Okay, so first and foremost, the VIP is a fly on the wall experience. You can be in the Zoom room and you can have access to the speakers firsthand during the information presentation. You also are going to be in the Zoom room to listen like a fly on the wall to hear the diamond people ask questions. Now, once again, if you didn't catch the video on the first page, there is only an opportunity to ask questions for about 20 to 25 minutes per speaker. And in order to be fair and in order to provide the best quality experience, we are limiting the diamond seats to only 22. 22 only. And that's by design. So you can come to the table as a diamond status and be able to ask a very quick question. We're talking a question that's 10 seconds or less. There's no backstories. There's no self-promotion, nothing like that. You just get to the chase, ask your question. Self-promotion is absolutely not allowed. You will be muted. You will not be able to ask a question if you try to promote your business. This is not about getting quick customers in this experience. It's about asking the right questions to millionaires, seven figures, six-figure earners so that you can grow your business and have everybody else who's a VIP listen to and learn. You'll get so much more money in your business by asking a legitimate question. Okay, so just want to press that out there right now so you all can be aware of what our expectations are before you click on buy. We want you to weigh the cost and understand what our expectations are for being a VIP or a diamond status seat. Okay, so once again, the VIP is $97. You get to be a fly on the wall. You don't get any opportunity to ask questions. Okay, you can put your questions into the chat. Our team will record those, and we cannot guarantee, but we will try our best to provide some feedback for you. But we can't guarantee that. The only people who are going to get their questions answered are going to be the diamond people right here. The diamond status is only $297, and it gives you special privileges, which include VIP replays forever, so that you get that on both levels, the VIP as well as the diamond. But the diamond will give you the ability to ask a short, quick question to these high-powered, high-caliber speakers. Amazing speakers that give you the wisdom to unblock the blockages that are keeping your business from becoming 10 or 50 or 100 times better than it is right now. Woo! Let's go. In the diamond area, you will get access to a special bonus party where only the 22 people will meet with a mystery, amazing millionaire mentor that's going to give you a special bonus session for just the diamond people only on a 4th day. Okay. So that is going to be amazing for the diamond level. So, and I want to encourage you to think about the diamond level because there's only 22 seats. You want to get in before they're all gone. So look down below, read every one of the benefits that you get from being in the VIP as well as being in the diamond level. Either way, you have made the right decision to upgrade. You get a wonderful access to the VIP hub where you're going to get your Zoom background like I've got here and behind me. You're going to get access to a private pre-challenge kickoff party. You're going to get access to do speed networking on both levels. The speed networking is amazing. There's already a lot of businesses that you can immediately download a document as soon as you get into the room, and you'll be able to have instantaneous ability to network with great businesses that have participated in our prior speaker treasuries, and you get to put your name on the roster for every event that we do going forward. How cool is that, right? And so you could have business in the future forever because you bought the $97 VIP, or even more importantly, the $297 diamond status. Okay. You're going to get VIP prompts that'll save you money, save you time, and you get to listen to the diamond people ask questions of the millionaires. In addition to that, if you take the diamond status, we're going to throw in some extra special prompts that are for diamond people only, that are really going to rock and roll your world for growing your business. Either way, you're winning. Okay. We want to encourage you that you have made the best decision ever. So go ahead and click on the link below to buy your $97 package that says upgrade me to VIP today. Okay. And you will be on your way to becoming a VIP. Or you can click on the button below that talks about going to the diamond status if that's available. Click on it now before it's too late. Either way, we're proud of you for making the best decision you've ever made in your entire life. We will see you on May 21st, May 22nd, and May 23rd for all 3 days. And if you get in on the bonus 4th day that only the diamonds get in, you might get that 4th day as well. We will talk to you soon. Can't wait to see you. And remember, if you want to end financial strife, say yes to a mentored life.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.